Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And for those that are just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button. Or for those that have not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be solving the question displayed on the screen. We're being asked to solve for x in 4 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket plus 5 is equals to 6 open bracket 3x plus 1 close bracket minus 2 open bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket. So first thing I need to do is to rewrite this question. Okay, so that is what I've already written it down. Then my next step is to expand. When I mean expand, open the bracket. That is the first step I need to do in order to solve for x in this question. So if I open the bracket, I will get 4 times x, that is 4x minus 4 times 2, that is minus 8 plus plus 5 is equals to 6 times 3x, that is 18x plus plus 6 times 1, that is 6 minus minus 2 times 2x, that is minus 4x. Then minus 2 times minus 3. Minus times minus to give us plus. 2 times 3 is 6, that is plus 6. Okay, so this expression can now be further simplified to 4x minus 3 is equals to 14x plus plus 12. Let's take it one after the other. So let's go back to the previous expression. We go back to that previous expression. At the right hand side, you will notice that we have 18x and minus 4x. 18x minus 4x is 14x. Then plus 6 is plus 12. So at the right hand side, if I simplify that, it will give me 14x plus plus 12. That's how I arrive at 14x plus 12. Okay, so minus 8 plus plus 5 is minus 3. So the expression can now be written as 4x minus 3 is equals to 14x plus plus 12. Okay, now my next step is to make x the subject. So for me to make x the subject, it means anywhere I see x, I bring it to one side. That's the layman explanation of that. I bring it to one side of the expression. It can either be to the right or to the left. That means I'm trying to bring all x to one side. Okay, if I bring 14x to the left hand side, I'm going to have minus 14x. On the right hand side of the equation, and there will be no value of x. Okay, so now at the left hand side, it will be 4x minus 3 minus 14x is equals to is equals to 12. Since I want to make x the subject, bring minus 3 to the right hand side of the expression. So for me to bring minus 3 to the right hand side of the expression, then I need to add 3 to both sides of the expression. If I add 3 to the left hand side, minus 3 plus 3, it will give me 0. So 3 will leave the left hand side to the right hand side to become to become plus 3. So this expression can now be written as 4x minus 14x is equals to 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. 4x minus 14x is equals to minus 10x. So this expression can further be simplified to minus 10x is equals to is equals to 15. Since I'm being asked to find the value or to solve for x, that means my coefficient of x has to be has to be removed. That means make x the subject, not to make minus 10x the subject. So how do I make x the subject from this point where we are now? Is is either to divide both sides by minus 10, or to multiply both sides by minus 1 over 10. It's still the same thing. But some people choose to use the expression of minus to multiply both sides of minus 1 over 10. It's just the way you want to put it, but it still means the same thing. Okay, so if I divide both sides by minus 10, it's going to give me minus 10x over minus 10 is equals to 15 over minus 10. Minus 10x over minus 10 is equals to is equals to x. How? Minus 10 over minus 10 times x. Minus 10 over minus 10 will give me 1. So 1 times x is still the same thing as x. So now this expression can be written as x is equals to minus 15 over 10. You can decide to stop at here if it's a theory question, or you can decide to simplify. But if you are given an objective question and you were given like you were given some options, and you saw minus 15 over 10 in the option, and when you further simplify this expression, this value for x, you not see the answer in the option, then you can go for what, minus 15 over 10. But for you to be what, to be sure, my advice for you is what, to simplify this. If you look at this answer, that means what, x is equal to what, minus 15 over 10. 5 can still go in both of them to give us what, minus 3 over 2. So in that way, that sometimes you may see minus 15 over 10 as option A, then you may see 2 as option B, you may see minus 3 over 2 as option C. My advice for you is to go for what, minus 3 over 2 if it's an objective question, not minus 15 over 10. But if you not see minus 3 over 2 for this question in the option, then you can go for what, minus 15 over 10. But if it's a theory question, you can either choose to what, to leave your answer as what, x is equal to minus 15 over 10, or you can further to simplify to what, x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Thank you for watching. Please do well to click the subscribe button